Hi, my name is Nick Ebenroth, Product Manager of Keystone Raptor Toy Haulers. Today we're standing in our beautiful chef kitchen of our Raptor 421, but I want to take a moment and highlight some of those key features that we do in every single Raptor. First of all, you're going to see all white upper cabinets and dark lowers. This is that modern residential feel that we try to bring with you on the road. Additionally, you're going to have all soft close cabinet drawers as well. That's on every single cabinet. We'll have soft close cabinet doors, and they're all solid hardwood cabinets as well. You're also going to find all the LED lighting that we try to add. This looks nice LED light strip around all the countertops will come standard, and then you'll also see LED lights through our crown molding and some other things across the unit. Finally, you get over to the sink. You're going to see a deep farmhouse sink that's got this nice drying rack, so that way you can easily wash dishes, dry them right next to you, use them for a cutting board, whatever you see fit, with a nice spray faucet that's got stainless and black finish. Move over to the appliances, all stainless steel appliances, convection microwave, big 22-inch oven as well. So just a lot of really nice features that we try to bring from home with you on the road. Thank you so much for watching, and please go to KeystoneRV.com to check out more Raptor information.